What are you doing, honey?
We're making dough for cookies. But you ready for this?
Oh.
What's your name? Delaney. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Come here, Greg. Come talk to the camera. Stop right there. What's your name? Greg.
Name's Bentley.
Your name's Bentley?
So you're making dough.
Do you own a sifter? Sifter?
A sifter?
Swifter? What is it
It's a
called?
sifter.
Sifter.
No, we don't own a sifter.
No, I just sift it myself. Alright.
We own scoopers.
Have...
She's not quite the baker, but she's giving it her best shot. What are we baking?
I'm definitely not a baker. Christmas cutout, sugar cookies. And then next will be ginger snaps.
Ginger snaps, my favorite.
But we're going to do kind of like 2 things of ginger snaps. Because we're getting Grandma's recipe on Monday.
Yeah, Grandma's recipe is a secret.
The
You'll
best.
never ever know what that recipe is.
I sifted.
She sifted it. It's finally sifted.
Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Gradually blend in the sifted ingredients until fully absorbed.
Well, does it say how hard to beat the eggs? How hard do you have
One
to
at
beat
a time.
Oh, you're not talented. You can't beat them 2 at a time.
I guess not. And
How
then
do you
what
soften butter?
Should we
You let
Google
it
real
sit
quick?
out of the fridge for a while.
Is that, you don't heat it?
You can heat it, but that'll melt it.
Oh.
You churn it. You have to put it in a bowl and churn it. Look at that. Perfectly softened butter.
And if you guys are all trying to do this at home, and you don't have all the ingredients, go to the Dollar Tree. They
Oh
have
yeah, Dollar
everything.
Tree, man. We went to Myers and spent like twice as much as what we could have at the dollar store.
Why are they so little?
Because that is a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Alright.
Yeah.
Going.
I don't think that worked very well. It might be softer. Feel softer?
Yeah, actually, kind of. It does. It's like gooey, you know, like kind of yellow. Clog your arteries. Okay, we'll just do it this way. See if it works.
I think I just broke the microwave.
You do what? Oh! No, you didn't.
It just went out.
Oh my god. Did you unplug it, maybe?
How did I unplug it? I pushed it back to power 10 and pushed start. No! Let's go check out the breaker panel. We have a tripped one here. Microwave 24. Look at that. It's tripped. Turn that bad boy off. Turn it back on.
What just happened?
I don't know. I think I tripped it.
Okay, change it back to wherever it goes.
That's where it was. All right.
Alright. Back to baking cookies. So it says 2 eggs, but let's see what it says again. Beat in the egg one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. So I gotta stir this together,
Yes.
and then beat in the egg, maybe?
Yes. Just beat it.
Like, what should I use?
An egg beater.
Like the bzzzoom thing? Like the mixer?
You can use a fork to beat it in too.
So I gotta like mix this into this, the sugar?
I guess so. And we kind of cheaped out. We bought like, what is it?
Expired?
Is it really?
No.
Yeah, that's what you get for going to the dollar store. No, it's not
No,
expired.
it's
but
like imitation.
it's an imitation, so hopefully it works out
It'll
okay.
be alright. Okay, so...
Taste it. Just put your finger in it and taste, see if it
No.
tastes like vanilla.
You taste it.
Not very good? I don't want none of that. Does it taste like vanilla?
Yeah, but like
Strong vanilla?
something you would.
It's an extract, so it should taste very strong.
You know, we might have to do this again if it doesn't make like a lot. We're making cookies for the neighbors.
Oh no. We gonna let them try them first?
Yeah.
We are back cutting out cookies.
Yay!
Just got them out of the fridge
All right,
from the
Grace,
dough we
turn.
made last night.
Ray, you got enough room? Here, let's do this one.
It
Right
actually
there.
looks pretty good. I can't wait to eat one.
No. And I can't wait to decorate one. And I'm the
Push it
next
through.
We are gonna decorate them,
I'm the next person.
but we gotta bake them first.
Look.
Yeah, bake them, let them cool down. Okay.
Oh, I know
All right.
You're done. Now we're done.
Not yet.
Time to re-roll. Want to make a YouTube cookie?
Yeah.
All right, back up. Back up a minute.
I can make
Mama,
a YouTube
baby.
cookie.
Good job.
I'll do it. I'll do
All right,
it.
Sissy's turn.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Leave some room for Sissy, Bentley.
Okay. Sissy,
You forgot
can
to
do
shake
two
it.
of them. And kind of get it closer to the edge so then we don't have to roll it out so much.
Ring that bell.
All right.
Big thumbs up. And please subscribe. That's just for the end of the video.
Do you guys make cookies? Christmas cookies? And if so, what kind? Leave it in the comments below.
I'll be it too.
All right.
And
Sissy gets to pick one more.
I
What
do.
one do you want?
Thanks for all your help
Snowman,
so far.
skeleton,
I did.
gingerbread? Ooh, I don't know if they'll have enough room.
I did it.
Ooh.
Made it.
All right,
shot,
he's got a
right?
star. Here comes the gingerbread man.
Can you put a snowman in there?
Be careful. Got it.
All right.
I don't
So many cookies we got so far.
Here though.
No, it's okay.
A little bit of his hand fell off.
That's all right.
That was a little bit of.
Back up.
But that's okay.
Re-roll.
More. How do you make dough?
A deer.
And now you just need the triangle. But how would there be enough for all of us? Who's gonna eat that? Dad, because he made it? Dad could eat it because he made it. No, I'm gonna eat it. No, Dad.
We'll let people decide.
Yeah, comment.
Maybe we
below.
should leave it for Santa Claus.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He'll be like, what? That's cool.
No.
All right, we have the cookies cut out.
And look at him.
And we got a bunch, including our YouTube play button. We are going to bake these, pull them out, and decorate them.
Okay, so, all right, I'm going to pick a number.
No.
Hold on.
I'll do a different color. I'll do white.
Hold on, I'm going to pick a number. Okay, I got my number. Bentley, you go first.
8. 9.
No, you have to pick a different number.
8.
You can't pick 8.
10.
You're closest. It was 3.
What? What did she pick?
8.
All right, we're getting ready to...
I picked
Oh, what
9.
pick? Oh, okay.
Bentley
You
She
get to
picked
pick.
picked 9.
Okay, you get to pick. What color do you want? What color do you want?
Red.
We are getting ready to color our cookies.
All right.
Or frost them,
Everyone grab a cookie.
whatever you want to call it. We got some sprinkles,
So we have 30 cookies in there.
3 different colors frosting.
Can I do it? This looks like red.
Okay. Gray, look, honey.
Can we frost them right now?
Yep. Look, Gray.
Okay, good.
How to make Christmas cookies 2018.
We actually do this we frost. This first time I ever made my dough, though. Like, very.
You know what's funny is you didn't think about this.
What?
I grabbed
We're
that.
going to have to pick all them cookies back up and put them on a tray.
Rainy picked it up. Rainy picked it up.
Well, yeah. But,
Hello.
but what I was thinking is I was going to put them in a Tupperware dish.
Well, they'll get all mushy together.
Well, no, because we're going to take some over to
Oh, and
John and Julie and Mark and Robin.
how many did we each do? Right now.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Let's just keep going.
Doesn't matter.
All right, YouTube, what's your favorite color so far? Bet you can't guess mine.
Yeah,
What is it?
green.
Yeah.
This is John.
Whoa! That is Delaney's cookie. Delaney, that is a lot of frosting. That's too much.
There's 19 cavities in one cookie.
That's why she made it. Gray, pick that one up and take it.
It's like birthday cake right there.
I should have tried to make my own
Oop.
frosting.
Pink.
There you go.
How many times can you catch a kid licking their finger?
Right.
Count it down below. Count with us.
Yep. Count with us.
0 for me.
Just missed that one. There's one.
You can hear it.
I don't think we should give any of these cookies away.
Why?
Because they don't want to eat your slobber.
What the? New things.
Oh, Mark and Robin need it.
I got them. Mom got the green.
They watch our videos.
Well, I think they're going to get the cookies before they see the video.
That's so wrong.
All right.
Did we eat one yet?
Hold on.
Eat one because they were so good. Who made this one? Bentley, did you make this one? Oh, on this side, did you make on this side? I
Look at all
made
them
this
cookies.
one. Last one.
All right, try your cookie. Is it good? How's your cookie over there, Gray?
Good.
All right, our finished product. We
Except
got
my
two
dad's
in here.
making a play button.
Yep, Dad's over there working on the play button.
All right, guys. We got all these cookies. And we can't forget.
The play button. That's how you make Christmas cookies. Big thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell symbol way up there. See you all next time. Bye.